Aloha Kauai, here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Saturday, April 11th. The number of total confirmed cases remains at 19. Of those 19 cases, 13 individuals have either recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining 6 active cases are residents. 3 are in home isolation, 2 are in isolation at a facility, and 1 remains in isolation in the hospital. All but 1 case has been confirmed to be travel-related. 1 case has been determined by the Department of Health to be our first case of community transmission. What this means is that there is evidence of COVID-19 circulating in our community, and the risk of becoming infected with COVID-19 is not just from traveling or being around travelers, but it is also from interacting with each other here in our own community. Kauai's tally of cases and other information of COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. There are a couple items this Saturday that we'd like to talk about. 1, the ongoing census, and 2, celebrating Easter. Regarding the 2020 census, the return data shows that we are well behind the nation in being counted. As of today, our response rate is 30%, which is far below the national response rate of 47%. We need your help in being counted, as many federal programs rely on allocating resources based on population. If we are not counted properly, we may not get the right size of resources we need for the next 10 years. We heard that many Kauai residents did not receive a census card in the mail with your census ID code. That's okay. You do not need a census ID to complete your 10-question census survey online. All you need is your home's street address. Please go to my2020census.gov and click on Respond. When it prompts you to enter your census ID, just click on the link that says, I do not have a census ID. The 2020 census will guide the distribution of $1.5 trillion in federal spending and also determines congressional seats. So it is very important that every single Kauai resident is counted so we get our fair share. So let's do better, Kauai. Please complete your census survey today by going to my2020census.gov. Please share this information with your ohana who may not have access to these updates. We're entering typically a time where many in our faith community are observing celebrations. For those of you in our Jewish community, we hope your Passover celebrations are going well. For those of you in our Christian community who celebrate, Happy Easter. In particular, with Easter Sunday tomorrow, we know it's typically a gathering time for many of you in your extended ohana and the annual appearance of the Easter Bunny. However, I'd like to remind everyone that unfortunately, your social gatherings must be limited to members of your immediate household. Celebrations with neighbors or family members outside of your home are not allowed at this time. I know this will be difficult for our keiki, but we can still have fun celebrating Easter at home. A quick Google search will give you lots of ideas on how to celebrate Easter at home. For those of you who usually attend Easter Mass, please check with your parish, as many churches are now offering Mass live on Facebook or on their parish websites. Please observe and celebrate safely and innovatively. Here's some operational recaps and safety items from the EOC. A reminder that new requirements go into effect today, including requiring all employees of food establishments, grocery stores, and stores that sell medicine to wear masks. Additionally, we strongly recommend that all businesses, regardless of what you sell, require your employees to wear cloth masks. We're also strongly urging all public-facing businesses to require your customers over the age of 10 to wear cloth masks to enter your business. In fact, we strongly encourage all individuals over the age of 10 to wear a cloth mask or face covering anytime you're outside in the public. If someone sick, coughs, or sneezes in front of you at the store, you could be at risk of infection. But if someone is wearing a mask, there's much less chance those virus-carrying droplets will reach you. People can be infectious even if they don't feel sick. You could be spreading COVID-19 virus and not even know it. People around you could also be spreading the virus and not know it. So the best thing we can do is to protect ourselves and others is to act as though you have the virus, act as though others around you have the virus, and then act accordingly. Remember folks, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. Let's work together to protect each other from coronavirus. We can also continue to protect each other by staying home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick, unless you are seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. With our stay-at-home order, we now have less cars on the road, but more pedestrians. Motorists who must be on the road for essential needs, please slow down and drive with aloha. And pedestrians, please wear bright clothing or reflective attire to make yourselves more visible to motorists. Let's work together to keep each other safe. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Center for Disease Control is updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. We can do this, Kauai, and we're going to do this. Mahalo, Kauai. Take care of one another. God bless and aloha.